Hostel review. LoL Hostel Siracusa, Syracuse. I book all of my hostel accommodations through the Hostel World app. As you can see, here's a list of hostels that I stayed in as well as the dates that I stayed there. So my reviews are honest and real. Today I'll be reviewing LoL Hostel Siracusa in Syracuse, Sicily. I stayed there from May 20th to May 21st. I'll go down to categories with Hostel World allowing me to rate each category out of 5 stars. The first category is security. LoL Hostel Siracusa has a secure main door for entry and exit during operating hours and a separate door for entry and exit after hours. Both doors are secured glass doors and there are cameras throughout the common areas. The hostel provides locking up for personal effects, including bicycles and larger items for an additional cost if needed. The rooms also included lockers for smaller items. While my rating on Hostel World was 4 out of 5, overall if I could change this, I would give this a 5 out of 5. The second category is location. LoL Hostel Siracusa is located in a very convenient location, right on Via Francesco Crispi. All within walking distance of Terminal Interbus, Stazione di Siracusa bus station, and a scenic stroll all throughout the historic and cultural areas to see in Syracuse, including the island of Ortigia. Overall, a 5 out of 5. The third category is staff. Upon arrival, the owner had me wait in front of him while he spoke on the phone for well over 5 minutes without acknowledging me at all. I may as well have been invisible to him. Whomever he was speaking to was definitely entertaining him as he laughed and enjoyed himself while I grew tired of being ignored. While LoL Hostel Siracusa markets itself as being a luxury hostel, I received illegal immigrant treatment. Upon checking in, the owner did not take time to explain anything interesting about Syracuse or any interesting events that I should explore. He simply accepted my payment, gave me my keys, and told me that my room is up the stairs. He did not take any time or effort to welcome me or show me around his hostel or his city or explain anything about his city. Right after he gave me the keys, he proceeded to the lounge area to chat with other guests and enjoy himself. While my rating on Hostel World was a 2 out of 5, overall, if I could change this, I would give this a 1 out of 5. The fourth category is atmosphere. The common areas are modern and well decorated. There is a lounge and restaurant inside the hostel which frequents a lot of people to meet and mingle. It was quite busy and it is set up in such a way that people are encouraged to enjoy the presence of others. Aside from the location, this was the only other thing I could say about LoL Hostel Siracusa that was very good. I did meet some cool people here. Overall, a 4 out of 5. The fifth category is cleanliness. The common areas of LoL Hostel Siracusa were always kept clean. However, it seemed the sleeping areas were neglected. The cleanliness in the bathrooms could have definitely been improved. While not necessarily filthy, it was obvious that daily cleaning was not a standard that was met, and if so, it was rushed. While my rating on Hostel World was a 4 out of 5, if I could change this, I would give it a 3 out of 5. The sixth category is value for the money. LoL Hostel Siracusa, again, is marketed as a luxury hostel so that they could charge a higher price. I paid €30 a night to stay. That was including taxes and Hostel World fees. Given the poor customer service, the barely adequate bathrooms, the inconsistent Wi-Fi, and useless beds, I wouldn't have paid €20 a night to stay here. While my rating on Hostel World was 4 out of 5, if I could change this, I would give it a 2 out of 5. The final category is facilities. LoL Hostel Siracusa has many amenities that would make it enticing for someone to stay, but the core basics are in desperate need of improvement. Having laundry facilities, a restaurant and lounge, plus a vibrant atmosphere mean nothing if people can barely shower or sleep in comfort. The bathrooms are ridiculously small. like a capsule, and the shower stall feels like bathing in a coffin. The sleeping areas are so small that people have to take turns to get around each other, just trying to get to the bathroom. The dorms are set up to sleep 6 in cramped quarters when they should be set up to sleep 4. The Wi-Fi is inconsistent unless in the restaurant and lounge area, and the beds are minuscule and uncomfortable. This has a hostel that has many awards. How is it able to achieve these awards is beyond my recognition. Cleanliness, friendliness, and satisfaction? Not in my case. This should have really just been a restaurant and lounge, but never a hostel. Overall, a 2 out of 5. My overall review on Hostel World is 7.1 out of 10, but it would be far lower if I could change it. My review is as stated on Hostel World. The owner had me wait 5 minutes while he spoke on the phone before acknowledging me. Very rude behavior, and did not even take me for a tour around the facilities. He was more concerned with spending time relaxing with other guests in the common area. The dorms are very small, Wi-Fi inconsistent, and the beds are tiny. The showers are also tiny. The facilities are modern, but they lack space, making the experience cramped. Despite marketing as a luxury hostel, I do not recommend. Like all of my reviews, I either recommend something or I don't. Regarding LoL Hostel Siracusa, I do not recommend staying here.